Gwane people, welcome back again to another video, the Jamaican guide here. Today, I'll be telling you how to get the gender of the child you want in the process of getting pregnant. So stick around and I'll show you how to achieve this. Okay, so a lot of people think that when it comes down to bringing a child in this world, any gender child you get, you have to take. But this is not so. This is not so at all. A lot of researches have been done in our lifetime, which I personally didn't take part in. But these researches have been done multiple times by very sophisticated people who have the resources to get it done. Now, whatever you hear me talk here, you can always go ahead and do your research elsewhere to confirm. So today, I come for show you how to get pregnant with a son or a daughter. This wasn't proven by me, so it's not 100% guarantee. But after giving me just a few minutes of your time, you definitely will agree with me now. For those of who have done your regular researches and know about the female body, you will know that there will be time when you have unprotected sex with a woman as a healthy male and you cannot get her pregnant. Now, a woman can only get pregnant when she ovulates. Ovulation has to take place before it can happen. So that is what happens before your wife gets pregnant. But a lot of men don't really know this. So we are going to the male body now. When a man ejaculates or discharge or come, as we would say, him reach, a male releases two different types of sperms. One is called the X chromosome and the other is called the Y chromosomes. What the people them they whenever school science class at high school? Put up on a hand. Yo, me not see none go up, Ah boy. Alright, so the Y chromosome is the boy and the X chromosome is the girl. Now the difference with these two, which is the one that will allow you to achieve your goal of getting the gender baby you want, whether it is a girl or a boy, is the fact that the Y chromosome swims faster than the X chromosome. People, I want to listen to me very careful because I know so now tune in Pandawania. This is how you will get a son or a daughter. Let me say it again for some of who might have fallen off track. The Y chromosome, which is the male, swims faster than the X chromosome, which is the female. The X chromosome lives longer than the Y chromosome, and this is what will allow you to get either a girl baby or a boy baby. Okay, listen up. First thing you would need to do to pull this off, it's not hard so don't worry. First, download an accurate female app like Ovulation Tracker, My Calendar or Support. You have a lot of them on the App Store, but you need an accurate one if you want to pull this off. Some female will know when their fertile window is open, their body gives signs, maybe moody, belly cramps, they might have a high temperature or so. Alright, so back to the male again. As me say, the X chromosome lives longer but swims slower. So depending on how healthy you are, the sperm of a healthier male will live longer. Both Y and X chromosome will live longer. However, if you drink and practice a lot of bad habits, yours might live for a shorter time. The sperm of an average male lives inside a female for 5 days. Can be shorter, don't think it can live any longer than that. People, you see, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, now is a really good time to hit that subscribe button. The more you guys subscribe to this channel, is the more you people motivate me to put out more useful information like this. So guys, if you are new here, subscribe and hit that like button and click the post notification bell so you will get a notification every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's continue with the ball game. So if you want a son and your female will ovulate on, let's say, a Wednesday, the process will start from in the night, Tuesday, after she go bed or during that time of the night. So you would have to hit from Tuesday evening. Tuesday evening would be a good time. By the time ovulation takes place and the egg is released and has reached where it's supposed to be, the Y chromosomes will already be there. A lot of them just standing around waiting. And when the egg is released, well, when the egg has reached, you know what will happen from there. So your wife, your girlfriend, will get pregnant with a son. Understand? So that is how you get a son. Alright, so if you want more, if you're interested how to find out how to get a daughter, just check out my other video. My other video will be coming soon. So until next time, stay safe, people.